In today's video, we are going to see how to download Scratch. First, open your browser, and here just type www.scratch.mit.edu. Then you will be seeing your first search in Scratch.mit.edu. Click here and go to website. After you can see direct download button, click the button and save your file. After that, you can see the Scratch is downloading. Then go to File and install the Scratch. First select your language and you can see Scratch Manager. Then you can install the file. After you can see this image, click the Finish button. After that you can see the Scratch on your screen. And if you want a little video from Scratch, then please do comment in our comment section. Now you can use the Scratch, and don't forget subscribe our channel.